Hi, I'm Jeff Brazil with the online programs from the University of Arkansas. In this chat, you will hear from Melody Miller, the Assistant Director of Marketing from the College of Engineering. Melody is going to talk about graduate certificates in Homeland Security. Hi, Melody. Thank you for joining us. We're really excited that you're here. Could you give us a breakdown of the graduate certificate for Homeland Security?
Certainly. The Homeland Security Graduate Certificate is a 4-course series, and it is great for lots of different professionals, everyone from law enforcement to military to security professionals, even those in IT security. Lots of application there. And the coursework actually follows the Certified Protection Professional Body of Knowledge requirements for those who are looking for that certification as well.
Wow, that's very impressive. With this graduate certificate, can you use that to go towards your master's degree?
You can.
Oh, wow.
It's really the most exciting part is you can just get the credential. You can just work for that 4-course series and get the Homeland Security credential itself, or that credential can apply toward either the Operations Management Master's degree or the Engineering Management Master's degree. And it allows you to really customize that master's degree as well, because Homeland Security goes so many different directions. We can study everything in that certificate from drone aircraft to IT security to quality management, even global competition and human factors. Lots of areas in which to specialize there.
Wow, that's outstanding. Well, Melody, we want to thank you for your time today to
Sure.
come and talk to us about this graduate certificate. We really appreciate it.
Wonderful. Thank you for having me.
Thank you. And thank you for watching. And if you have any questions and are interested in any of our online programs offered, you can visit our website or the contact information that is listed on this video. Have a great day, and remember, go Hogs.